Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this fantastic Honda Civic 1.6 i-DTEC EX. Now this vehicle has currently done 54,388 miles and it's finished in the colour polished metal. It does come with 3 previous services. It's a very stylish looking vehicle. It does sit nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. This Civic also comes with keyless entry and go, making access into the vehicle much easier. In the boot you'll find 478 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,245 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you can find your gorgeous black leather interior with the contrasting white stitching. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. It has a very premium feel in the interior. Up front you've got your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Up top the panoramic sunroof, which is a perfect touch for those sunny days. You've got plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat as well, so you can get nice and comfortable while behind the wheel. To the left you've got controls for the infotainment system as well as the display in the instrument cluster. To the right you have your adaptive cruise control. On the display here in the instrument cluster you can display different information on there. There's also your digital speedometer and even your mileage. You can see your trip computer, you have your directions for the navigation and your road sign recognition. On the dashboard you've got your lane departure warning system button along with your pre-collision warning, keeping you super safe while you're on the road. You also have a button for your front and rear parking sensors. In the centre of the dashboard here you have your touchscreen infotainment system. Now on this system you've got access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also connect your own source of audio through USB, auxiliary input and Bluetooth. In the telephone menu you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. The system also comes with navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. A very nice touch to have. Moving on now, in the information menu you've got access to your trip computer. You can also access system information. There is also the option of smartphone connectivity. Now the vehicle is compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so you can easily pair your smartphone up with the system and use compatible applications, and also safely make hands-free phone calls and texts using the voice command feature. You can also see some additional system and vehicle settings there. You do have applications and widgets so you can customize your home screen, and there's also your app center to download additional applications onto the system. The vehicle does come with a reverse camera along with the front and rear sensors to make parking as easy as possible for you. Also on the display you do have some physical and touch controls for the dual zone automatic climate control. You do have heated front seats to keep you warm and comfortable on those colder days. Lastly, you have your 6-speed manual gear selector here in the centre console.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.